Welcome to JH. So, have you had the pleasure of receiving a random WhatsApp message from someone named Jasmine? She claims to be an HR representative for WBD Global Streaming, and she's just dying to offer you a job. Because nothing says prestigious global career like a cold text from a stranger who definitely didn't find your number on a bathroom stall. She promises a remote role with daily pay up to $500, a $6,300 monthly salary, and a $1,000 newbie bonus just for existing. It sounds like a dream, provided your dreams involve being lied to by a bot. This exact script is currently flooding phones across Canada, appearing in group chats like a digital plague. Let's be real. No legitimate company is going to hand you $6,000 a month for content promotion via a random text message. If it were that easy, we'd all be working from a beach instead of dealing with these clowns. This is a classic task scam. They might toss you a few bucks early on to earn your trust, the digital version of a free sample before the mugging. But soon enough, they'll ask you to pay for prepaid tasks or to unlock higher earnings using Bitcoin or gift cards. Some victims reported getting these messages right after applying for jobs on sites like Indeed, which means these scammers are likely using fake employer accounts to harvest your data. It turns out Jasmine isn't an HR professional. She's just a script running in a basement somewhere. The bottom line is that this WBD global streaming offer is 100% a scam. Don't reply, don't click any links, and for the love of your bank account, don't send them a dime. Stay sharp, stay skeptical, and hit that subscribe button so you don't get played by the next Jasmine that slides into your DMs.